Ooh, big red hair, don't care. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a show and tell and a thorough review on this unit that I'm rocking right now, and this video is brought to you by SAMSBEAUTY.com. I'll be sure to link all their information down below in my description box. With all that being said, if you want to know more about this unit and the struggle of life, then stay tuned. This wig was kind of a struggle. So again, this is by Sensational's What Lace collection. This is in the style Latisha, and I have it in the T1B/BG. Gorgeous on the stock card. And I actually feel like this is a gorgeous unit. However, it's not going to be for everyone, and it definitely has some cons. So let's get right into them. The first con is the cap construction is small, so I had to leave a little bit of excess lace on and kind of like camouflage it with this baby hair swoop, because if I had cut all the lace completely off, this unit would not have fit my head. Now the actual crown part of the cap, it fits nice, but it's the ear to ear part that's like the struggleization. So keep that in mind if you have a bigger head or a large forehead. My second con is the hairline. Y'all know Sensational What Lace collection is supposed to have a more defined hairline, meaning that it's coming customized, pre-plucked and all that and whatnot. But with this wig, I had to go in and tweeze it up. Okay, you guys probably seen a brief clip of that I had to go in and get it together, because the front part was okay, but the edges was a no, sis. The edges, like on the sides, look like they hadn't been plucked hardly any. If you desire a more natural hairline, you're gonna want to get them tweezers out and get, you know what I mean, get it together. Okay, get it together. Sensational, y'all too. Now the color, absolutely in love with the color and the texture. The texture is that kinky yacky texture that a lot of us like adore. I know I do. It be getting me together every time. It looks so natural. It's soft. It's not the softest, you know what I mean? It's not human hair soft, but it could fool someone, especially if it was in a more natural color. But this color is bomb. I mean, this wig screams fall ready, which leads me into my next thought. Don't get this wig for summer. Get this wig and put it up for the fall and the winter. We are approaching fall season anyway, so you might want to order her up, snatch her up if this is your style, because she's going to keep you warm. Okay, sis, you're going to be warm out here in the streets, if you in the streets. Let's carry on. So I just wanted to emphasize that the lace on this wig is super soft, so they got that right. I was like, ooh, quality on the lace. They just need to go in a little bit more with the hairline and the cap construction. So this particular line does not come with like the full on frontal effect. It's more like a closure effect. I'll insert a clip so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. In the very front, like, okay, in the center, you get a good, like maybe 6 inches of parting space. Bomb, killed it. But on the sides, you just get maybe a 3/4 of an inch. So you can't go in and really pluck it the way that you want without track showing. So I feel like the price could be a little bit better, considering that it's not a full-on frontal. But then again, like the quality of the lace is, I don't know. We can argue on that topic. So let's carry on. The density and the length, once again, is so fall and winter appropriate. You're going to be warm. I've seen a lot of my YouTube divas cut this wig, and I was going to do that. I actually was planning on doing it, but once I fluffed it out and, you know, manipulated it, I was like, I don't know, sis, it's kind of a vibe. I mean, she's a lioness vibe, but she's a whole vibe. So if you're someone who loves big hair, you have options with this wig. And if you do decide to keep it longer when it gets older, sis, you can keep cutting it up and you'll have multiple styles. A pro about this kind of texture is that for me, they tend to last a while. And when they get old, you can add heat to it, and now you got a whole nother vibe, okay? I love the KinKy Yaki texture synthetic units. Oh yeah, and the length is about maybe 22 to 24 inches. Probably stretched, it's a good 24 inches. And I am 5'2", 5'2.5", you know, I'm bite size. So overall, I'm feeling Latisha. Now, is she my favorite unit from Sensational's What Lace collection? Nah, sis. Not at all. Okay, not at all. However, would I recommend this to someone? Yes, if this is your style, if this is your speed, you like vibing with the KinKy thick texture units, then you will definitely get somewhere. Consider them cons that I mentioned first though, because this wig is just not made for everyone in my opinion, but I do like it and it's also approved. She just need a little bit of work, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to link Sam's Beauty's website down below in my description box. Let me know in the comments if you tried this unit, because it's definitely not new to the YT. What was your thoughts? What is your opinions? Just give it all to me, okay? Down in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.